Ooh, we got that C10. You see they put them big wheels on there, them aftermarket jump offs. Man, he got a fat tire on it. Let me show y'all this demonstration. Y'all see that big thing on top? Let's stop playing. Let me show you this tire. Let me show you this tire. Let me show you that tire. Yeah. Let me show y'all that tub. Done it real nice, I really. Let me get y'all a good show of this thing. So y'all can see what's going on. This thing, you don't want to pull up on that on the side of the road. That's that Hellcat killer. That is that Hellcat killer. I'm trying to tell y'all, Hellcat killer. We out here, man. Y'all see, man, there's plenty content going on, plenty cars out here. Man, I'm even halfway through yet. I'm still getting content for y'all. Y'all keep sticking to the channel. I got how-to videos going up. I got more car shows going up, man. I just got straight content for y'all, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Z2 Motorsports, man. Let's go. Old Corvette, new Corvette. Look at it, man. Y'all leave in the comments. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all see that big block, that 496? 496. Come on, look at that monster. Look at that monster. Everything here got a big motor in it today on this side right here. Everything got big. Look at that Nova 2, man. What motor Nova doing? Look at this. Look at this. That's that Nova 2. Ex-Outlaw. That's what he put on his shit. Ex-Outlaw. Big boy motor. Want to see the likes up for that one too. It don't stop. Listen, let me show y'all this car. This is a rare car, y'all. This is a big block car, first of all, right? Corvette. But let me show y'all. See that back? Let me show y'all. Y'all see that back? That's crazy. That's crazy. Let me back up. I want to show y'all that back. Yep, that's that back. That is crazy. That is crazy. Car is clean. Big block car. Yeah, this is rare, y'all. Only on the channel, Z2 Motorsports. Yeah, look at that. Look at that front. You ever seen a vet, old school vet with that front? Come on, y'all stop playing. Y'all stop playing. Y'all stop playing with the car. Certified. This is crazy, y'all. Look at this SS. Man, I got 2 of them now. I don't got 3 no more. I got rid of 1, but this is crazy. Look at the motor in here. Big block, big blow. Big block, big blow. Motor talking. You got them stock insides, dude. You keep them clean. Let's bend this car. nice. Boy, them Toyota, some 1.8. Yeah, man, we got some nice demonstrations out here today. Sunny old Brookville. Ooh, look at the Impala, y'all. Trinidad, boy. Welcome to Trinidad. Said Trini love, yes. Rotted. Trinidad and all out here representing, boy. Mustangs. Got your Mustang. Oh, Stang. 66. 66 Stang. Man, y'all see this truck? This is crazy. But they changed the front on it, suicide doors on it. They put the Bentley front on it or something. It's crazy. They chopped the top. Look at the bed, y'all. What y'all think in the comments? I want y'all to let me think how y'all feel about the truck. Y'all like it? Y'all don't like it? Y'all like the conversion on it? Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all leave in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. We got the Cobra versus the RT. Cobra versus the RT. Which one y'all think harder? Y'all leave in the comments. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Which one y'all like? Fox body Mustang. Got that vet out there. Let's get a pan for these 3 Mustangs. All 3 different generations. Y'all leave in the comments which one y'all like the best. Which one y'all like the best? Y'all leave in the comments. Y'all let me know. Alright, y'all, we back. So what y'all think, man? It's pretty hot out there, man. It's heated out there today, but yeah, man, we're at the little car show. We got y'all a little bit of footage and stuff like that, so y'all let me know what y'all think, y'all. Leave in the comments, let me know about the cars you saw, and they had some decent stuff out there today, man. Headed back to the shop right now. Might give y'all some shop from the footage from the shop, I should say. I know Jeremiah's over there, he's probably working on something. But yeah, I appreciate y'all tuning in. I appreciate y'all channel, man. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. It's YouTube.